Tutankhamen, the Boy King, ancient Thebes with its necropolis. This is the golden funerary mask of King Tutankhamen, the crown jewel of the Egyptian Museum in Cairo. The city of Luxor lies further south along the Nile. It was known as Thebes and was once a capital of ancient Egypt during the Old Kingdom period. The Karnak Temple was built at the height of the period around 2000 BC. The god Amon is enshrined here. He is the guardian of the kingdom and king of the gods. This desert valley in ancient Thebes is known today as the Valley of the Kings. Over 60 tombs have been excavated so far. Most had already been looted and their burial items stolen, except for the tomb of Tutankhamen built deep inside the valley. It was discovered in 1922 by the British archaeologist Howard Carter. He found a wall blocking the path as he walked down some ancient steps. He decided to break it down. The broken wall revealed a golden door. When the door was opened, there was another door. It was entirely covered in gold and carved with figures of the gods. Carter was slowly getting nearer to the king. Then he unbolted the fourth door. He finally found a sarcophagus made of stone. When Carter opened it, he found a coffin inside. And when he opened the coffin, there was yet another coffin. It was beautifully decorated with semi-precious stones. Carter had finally found the king wearing his golden mask. King Tutankhamen died around 1350 BC at the age of 18. A mark on his head indicates he may have been assassinated. Was he killed during a fierce religious battle? His wife's father denied the existence of the god Amon. When Tutankhamen ascended the throne, he restored the national worship of the god. Carter also found dried cornflowers inside the coffin, supposedly placed by the queen. It's believed that he was so touched he said they looked a lot more beautiful than any of the golden treasures.